Hey everyone, this is Ryan Cote,
And Matt Cote.
here from Ballantine with another Marketing Minute. My tip today is about LSI keywords. It's an SEO/content tip. So when you're creating content, you want to make sure you incorporate LSI keywords into the content. And LSI simply means related keywords to the main keyword that you're going after. And doing this makes the content much more optimized, much more likely to draw in organic search. And one way that we like to find LSI keywords is you search in Google for your main keyword, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and there'll be a section that says, it's basically related searches. Google also thinks these keywords are related to your main search. That's how it's being done right now. It could change by when you watch this video, but right now when you search for a keyword, scroll to the bottom, look for related searches, and those are good LSIs to include in your content.
So my topic today is finishing. Now we've talked about foil stamping and grit coatings and special coatings like that before, but I don't think we ever talked about finishing in bindery. So one of the things I mean is by nesting a piece together and making it a slider type format. You can see here that it was printed as two separate pieces, and then through special equipment, they're actually dropped onto each other and a slider is created. You can see there's a die cut window with the ball that moves. So if you have a high value product that you're selling, or something that has a perceived high value, something like this actually lends itself very well because it's a more expensive piece, so your return on investment is going to be okay, and it just lets you show the product in a different manner. That's it. That's my Marketing Minute for today. I hope you enjoyed. Ryan, take it away.
Are we ended again?
So that's today's Marketing Minute. If you really thoroughly enjoyed this content and actually sat through the entire thing, please like all of our social channels up here and down here. And otherwise, we will see you for the next Marketing Minute.
That's great. Will you do that?